Imagine a folding keyboard trackpad hybrid. Well, maybe we don't have to imagine anymore. Let's get into it. What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Dev Warrior here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be checking out the foldable Bluetooth keyboard with trackpad. Looks pretty interesting, sounds pretty interesting, and it was a pretty good price, so I'm really interested to see what this is about. But before we get into unboxing this, I would like to get into the elephant in the room. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's been a bit since my last upload. I mean, I know there was a LeBron Witness unboxing that I made yesterday, but that was just footage that I made like a while ago, back on my birthday, a couple months ago, but just with a intro and outro added. So it wasn't anything really special, wasn't anything like that I made this week, so I didn't really want to explain why I was absent last week in that video. I didn't think it seemed appropriate. But now that I'm here, actually in the studio making an unboxing, I thought it would be appropriate to tell you guys where I was. So last week, I did not upload a video at all. Usually I upload at least one video a week, but last week I didn't upload any videos. And to the two of you who actually care and are wondering why, it was because I was actually at a resort for my brother's birthday. So I wasn't able to make any content. But it was pretty fun. I got to go surfing, do a lot of other stuff. So I had a good time. Fortunately, like I said, wasn't able to make any content. But I'm back. And yeah, I'm going to be uploading regularly. Hopefully for a little bit until something else pops up or whatnot. A lot of you guys who just stumbled across this video who don't even know me, or the people who don't even care at all, probably either skipped through this or had to sit through this. So sorry about that. There's probably timestamps somewhere though, so you probably wouldn't have to skip through this. Alright, anyways, back to the video. But like I said, the portability of having a device like this seemed very interesting to me, having the portability that I wanted, having having also a trackpad built in to it, because my trackpad on my current laptop is really messed up. It's always getting kind of messed up, but like it's been a couple of years since I've had it, so it's just really bad now. So it's really cool to try to get a hold of a new trackpad and of course a new keyboard, and the portability of it, the price of it, everything seemed right. So I decided to go take action and get it. But yeah, without any further ado, let's open it up. Don't need an X-Acto knife for this one. I think there's no tape on here, so it should be a bit easier than most unboxings. Yep, there we go. And there's dust coming out. Very good sign of high quality. Now it's time to slide the contents out of the box to reveal another box that contains the contents. Cable. Here we have the unit itself. It's all folded up and stuff. And instruction manual. Japanese, anybody? Or Chinese, I don't really know. Immediate impressions, well, it feels very good in the hand. Opening it up, the hinges feel kind of loose, and it feels like the hinges could snap very easily, but it feels very premium, and the trackpad unfortunately does not click, but you probably could tap on it. Definitely no more than an inch thick. Very slim. Very impressed with this. Has a basic micro USB cable. Would have been cool if it was USB-C, but not too bad. Also has a power button and Bluetooth syncing button. Obviously the keys are digital, not mechanical, but they still feel relatively good, like something you'd expect from a laptop keyboard. The only thing we haven't yet checked out of everything in this box is the micro USB cable for charging. So you could probably also use this to connect it to a device via like a wired connection. So yeah, standard micro USB cable. Pretty short, not gonna lie. It looks pretty small, so you probably couldn't have it going across long distances. But it's a wireless keyboard, so this doesn't really matter. But cool to have for charging. But now it's time to test it out. So after testing this device out for a little bit, getting to play with it for a couple hours, I was able to actually find a couple things with it. So my latest video about the LeBron Witness 5s, where I unboxed LeBron's latest shoes, actually was edited using this trackpad and keyboard combo. And it actually worked pretty well, but there's a couple issues I found with it. One of the main ones was that you can't really drag and drop with a trackpad as it doesn't click. Now, most trackpads that don't click, they have like two little clickers on top of them where you actually can right and left click, but this laptop keyboard folder thingy didn't really have it. However, one of the main things that I really liked about it was its ability to just fold up and put away if I ever needed to have other things uh, like on my desk, which is one of the main reasons I got it actually, was obviously because it's very portable and it can also be folded away and put away if need be. Another thing I really liked about this keyboard is the fact that it has a control key as well as the command key. So if you're on Mac, it has the command key on the right, and if you're on Windows, it has the control key on the left, which is really cool and really convenient. Because no matter what your situation is, you should still be able to use this keyboard. Also, connecting your keyboard to a device is very simple. All you gotta do is just press the Bluetooth button on your keyboard, and then it should pop up onto your device, and you just gotta type in a pin. After that, you're all set. Your keyboard is connected. But above all, I would like to highlight the price. The price is only 99 dirhams. So take that into consideration. It's about $35, which is really good for a keyboard like this. Very compact, very portable. So I really like this, and especially also considering it has a trackpad in it. So trackpad, it's Bluetooth, wireless, and it's compact. Considering all of that, you're getting that for $30. I really like the keyboard, and I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, that is my review on the foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I missed or anything you would like to know about this that I may have not mentioned. But yeah, I really like this. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. Unfortunately, it's not mechanical, which it's kind of a shame. But again, it's a flat keyboard, so not really much you can do about that. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, where I do keyboards, because it's my first keyboard unboxing, I think, let me know in the comments below. And with that being said, like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.